Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 8 days ago, to be precise on February 27th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $5.09. And at this point, I told you that this asset hit a crucial level of resistance, had the first reaction, and by the way, I predicted this pivotal point and this pivotal point as well, and I told you that we have to retest first level of support at $4.83, and if it doesn't hold, we have to retest this one. But as long as this bottom holds, we might still have this movement to the upside that will hit somewhere around $6.65 mark. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NIO. Let's zoom out a little bit and let me show you that I made my previous video at this point, and since I made it, this asset retested this level of support, broke it to the downside and retested the second one and had a perfect bounce to the upside. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. RWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what crucial levels do we have for NIO for the upcoming weeks, what news will be the catalyst at the very beginning of the upcoming trading week, and how you can benefit out of NIO's price action. So first of all, let's take a look at the general sentiment related to this stock, and take a look right here. This is the website that reflects all recent news of NIO. It is a CNVpost.com, and let me first of all pay your attention to this article. It says NIO reports 20,797 deliveries in February, extends promotions to boost spring sales. And guys, in general, their main brand delivered 15,159 vehicles, representing 65.8% year-on-year increase. And if you take a look at this chart, you can see that in 2026 we have a higher level of deliveries compared to previous years, and in general you can see that this gray line represents sales for 2024. Orange line represents sales for 2025, and green line represents 2026. As you can see, we have consistent growth in this parameter, which means NIO is on the right path to improve their sales, and definitely it will be reflected in their balance sheet as well, as the well, as the profitability for the upcoming quarters. And we know that just recently they achieved first a quarter of profitability, and next quarter should be pretty much the same. If they have consistency in this parameter, it will be a huge bullish signal for investors. On top of that, guys, I want to pay attention to the most recent sell-off that happened basically within last week, from February 23rd to March the 3rd. And to be honest, I didn't find any news that could result in this type of substantial decline in its price. But at the same time, I want to pay attention to this date. March the 10th, this Tuesday, they will publish their earnings report, and I have to admit that if they beat an expectations on earnings, you can see that we have an estimations of 0.005 cents negative. It is a losses of $0.005 per share. If they beat these expectations, it will be a huge movement to the upside for the share price. So on top of that, guys, let me pay your attention to other titles, just the titles for this stock, for this company. NIO launches Firefly brand in Thailand, entering second right-hand drive market. Next one, NIO's EV motor production tops 2 million on ES8 demand. Exclusive, NIO revamps Europe operations, shifting further toward asset-light strategy. Next one, NIO sets up a new Shanghai battery unit to accelerate solid-state technology. NIO weekly orders hit 2026 high following new March promotions. NIO sets April 9th for flagship ES9 SUV tech launch ahead of Beijing Auto Show. Former NIO Onvo president AI joins H-Word as Chief Growth Officer. And guys, you can see that there is a plenty of bullish news for NIO, and despite this fact, the price was still in a short-term downtrend. What will be the next movement for NIO? I believe that as long as this bottom holds, we still might achieve this, we still might use this as our path to the upside, because in general this 1-2 setup can be extremely deep, and if I turn off all the tools, and by the way, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And guys, as you can see, we didn't have a breakout below this bottom. We didn't have even a sustained retest of this level, which means this movement to the upside within increase in volume might be the first one to set up on a bigger scale that will break this previous swing high. And if so, guys, we have a perfect setup for the upcoming week. It is definitely risky because we have an upcoming major catalyst that no one knows how it will affect the share price of NIO. But at the same time, guys, if you use properly your risk management strategy, we can have not more than 6, let's say 7% of downside potential with an upside potential from the current price up to 40%. Which means, guys, this risk to reward ratio might be very beneficial for traders, swing traders, and if it happens, it will be a very good setup for the upcoming couple of weeks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.